Falling is not failing, but it is when you refuse to get up. That is what we call failure. If you want to make bread or anything and it does not go well with you on the first day or on the second day, don't worry. Continue practicing it and it shall be well. You are welcome to Safabafos TV. We are going to learn how to make tastiest raw bread. Let's get started and prepare bread roll or bread nkruwa. First, you need your bread flour. I use 1 kilogram. Then you need sugar. I use 10 teaspoons of sugar. Then you need yeast, 3 teaspoons or 2.5 teaspoons. You need your nutmeg. After that, add your salt. After adding the 1/4 teaspoon of salt, mix everything together. The next you need 2 eggs. Add your vanilla extract or any flavor of your choice. Add your milk. Then add water and mix together. I'm going to use the hand machine to mix it, so there is no need to use the stick anymore. If you use the machine to mix it well, there is no need to use your hand to knead it again. After mixing everything together, add the 3 teaspoons of butter or margarine. Normally, we show you the beautiful part of the movie without showing you the scene behind. So if you try something and you don't get it right on the first day, don't worry. It happens to all of us. The most important thing is continue doing it until you become perfect. Making raw bread is very simple and easy if you follow this method. I got it wrong at the first time, but now here's how So persist, continue. If you get it wrong, don't give up. It shall become perfect like this. Thank you for watching Safabafos TV. Bye bye. God bless you.